Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Urdu, a channel all about helping you gain confidence while learning with clear, gently paced lessons appropriate for all ages. Choti ye. In Urdu, choti means small, so we can also call it small ye. Learning any new language can be challenging, and oftentimes we set out to become fluent and then find ourselves discouraged as the lessons become more advanced. This channel's aim is to keep each video as uncluttered as possible so that you can conclude each lesson with the satisfaction that your time here was spent making progress. So if you think this channel might be a good fit for you, subscribe to Easy Urdu and tap the bell icon to receive alerts to new content as it is uploaded. Circumstances allowing, our goal is to upload a new video each week, and we hope you'll join us and begin learning your new language today.